Tell me what you did here. It's a grilled double down with the beef patties from a Papa Burger and the toppings of the Papa Burger?
That's right.
Okay. Go for it. Oh. The sound is terrible. That's a lot of meat. Pause.
No homo.
No homo, no homo. Does your heart hurt yet? It will.
No, this is Atkins friendly, so I'm good to go.
Atkins friendly. Somehow that shit is Atkins friendly. That qualifies as acceptable food in the Atkins world. It's a diet that everyone needs to be on. To be fair though, you are shaving a lot of calories off by doing the grilled double down. So probably the Big Papa Droppa was invented by Billy the Fridge, but this is probably the first ever grilled Big Papa Droppa to be consumed. That was my speculation. Jeez, Toshi. It's been 2 minutes. It's about halfway gone. My chest is starting to hurt just watching you. Cadillac rolling fat. It's almost gone. Just about the 3-minute mark. Pretty good. How does it taste?
Like cardiac arrest.
I don't remember my CPR training, so if things start to go down here, you're kind of fucked.
I'm so ashamed I can't even look at you.
That hurts my heart a little. Probably not as much as that's gonna hurt yours. All done? Okay, so my timer on my camera says 3 minutes and 38 seconds. You did that in about 3 minutes.
Jesus.
2 grilled chicken patties, 2 beef patties. What's that amount to? 4 pieces of cheese?
Bacon.
Bacon?
Vegetables.
Lettuce, tomato,
And 3 pickles.
and 3 pickles? Any condiments on that?
No.
How do you feel? I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
And that's how you do it.